I'm very proud to have introduced legislation in Parliament to address an issue that is extremely important to me and also many Canadians. The bill is titled the Judicial Accountability Through Sexual Assault Training Act, or as we're calling it, the JUST Act. There has been a growing movement in Canada to recognize the challenges and indeed the trauma often experienced by those who go through sexual assault cases in our courts. The majority of women who experience sexual violence will never seek justice through the courts. The truth is, they've lost faith and confidence that they will be treated fairly. But I do have faith that we can make changes to the system that will address some of the gaps and start to build trust in our justice system for victims of sexual violence. I believe that addressing this situation must start with those responsible for overseeing Canada's judicial system. Unfortunately, there is a very real lack of transparency in how judges are receiving training and education about how to preside over legal cases involving sexual violence. You'd probably be surprised to find out that today, there are judges who are presiding over sexual assault cases but have no training in sexual assault law. Now, the JUST Act proposes reasonable, common-sense action that we can take as legislators to bring more accountability and transparency to the federal judiciary in these matters. The legislation proposes 3 changes. It will be mandatory for any lawyer who wants to become a judge to take comprehensive training in sexual assault. It will also require that the judiciary provide an annual report to Parliament on how often current judges are receiving training and education in sexual assault. And it will amend the criminal code to require that judges provide written reasons instead of verbal on more decisions regarding sexual assault. This will provide transparency and accountability around decisions judges make in sexual assault cases. This is about making our legal system more transparent, more accountable, and more fair for everyone involved in these difficult cases. And this is about reassuring Canadians that should they ever seek justice in court in connection to a sexual violence case, that they will be dealing with a judge that is trained and equipped to oversee such sensitive matters in their courts.